visionary spell. She stood in a hallway uprightly, how lovely, but never unsightly, rather radiant, thermal, and sprightly. Ferromagnetic, our shiny Sheelil, oh glow brightly, forevermore still, day and nightly. Glazed galore, gossamer, slender slightly, heteroaesthetic. Hence, let us now offer attention to her heart full of golden intention, midst of fulvous cocoon intervention. I pray, be supernal, winged Sheelil with empowered high tension, tall, tapered beyond this convention, for the nonce, narrow, nimblest distension, highway eternal. We therefore beseech thee, Sheelil, incorruptible, lovely and shrill, be our guardianship, if you will. O Sheelil, thy lucerna shines still, between whiles wherefore so stately, cartouche tongue gargantuan ornately, layout lithest throughout, may it great be, bioluminous, lustrous innately. I acknowledge thee, shiniest steel sheet, betwixt walls self-transfixed wrought with real heat, iridescent sheer sheen, O reveal sweet, swollen freight free, holy lady of such immortality, O arrayed be by vouchsafed vitality, bright Sheelil, that thou art mid reality, now unfold, omnipresent, incessant, tumescent, elongated cucumber, no less vent, still an insular sprite, iridescent, how sun gold, relinquished to thee and thy way, bright lucerna above some highway, lux aeterna of loveliness, I pray, thou, spun old, where worlds evanesce and then dwindle, O my Sheelil, shapeliest spool and spindle, high tension, but never to kindle, cords thereof, linoleum rolled up a while, spill, petroleum wrung forth reliable, vulvatorium vicarious and viable, affords fair love.